Okay, in this one I'm going to show you how to start up your Premiere file. So you're going to open up a new project. Now, we've talked about this, you get this actual window coming up. This is where you actually name what your project is. You don't just name it your final actual thing. So right now I'm going to name it, for this one it's going to be called, we're going to call this Pixelation. And you can call it project if you want to, it doesn't really matter. Okay. From here I'm going to show this is Browse. Browse will take you where on your computer you want to save it. This is important because you guys just click on save and you don't know where it goes. Over here you're going to find your flash drive. Now I don't have my flash drive, but this one's my Omega. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to double click on this and I'm going to save, I want to put it in my multimedia folder. So I'm going to find my multimedia folder. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and select folder. And so I know that my Pixelation project is going to go in my multimedia folder on my flash drive. Now everything else should be okay because we have audio, DVD, scratch this. If you want to, just double check on it and make sure that says save as project, save as project, same as project, same as project. Say okay, and we're going to go ahead and hit okay. Now what that is name the folder that it's going to go into. The sequence name is the actual name of your video that you're creating. So I told you about the project directories where things go into a folder where you store all the information, and this is your actual project. For this one, you're going to call it your last name. Wow, I can type, I think. Underscore, and we're going to call it my Pixelation animation. I'm going to call this one final because this will be my final actual sequence. And then from there, keep everything else the same. It's going to be a standard 48 kilohertz video. And we're going to just click on OK. From here, now we have our file. And notice right here, it is named our sequence last name Pixelation animation. And remember when you start to load up your information, you go import and you find your imports that you're bringing in. And you go to render, make sure that this is the icon that you actually click on when you go to File, Export, Media, because if you don't choose this one, it might export some random stuff.